Good morning, saints. Today we turn a page to the book of Mark 2, verse 11. I say to you, get up, pick up your pallet, and go home. Beloved, in the crowded house where friends lowered their paralyzed companion through the roof, Jesus first addressed the man's deepest need, forgiveness of sins, before turning to his visible disability. With simple, authoritative words, I say to you, get up, pick up your pallet, and go home. Jesus demonstrated his power, not only to heal the body, but to restore wholeness and dignity. The command was both a miracle and a test of faith. The man had to believe the words enough to act on them, rising instantly, rolling up what had been his prison for years, and walking out in full view of the astonished crowd. Now, this moment reveals Jesus as the one who speaks life into deep places and dead places, who commands what seems impossible, and who restores people to their rightful place, their home, community, and purpose. The same authoritative voice that raised the paralytic still speaks today. When Jesus says, get up, he calls us out of spiritual paralysis, shame, or long-standing limitations, whether they stem from sin, fear, or brokenness, and invites us to take up what once confined us as proof of his transforming power. Obeying his word requires active faith. We rise above, and because he said so, we carry the evidence of change, and we go forward into the life he has restored. May we be blessed and have a wonderful day. Shalom.